Trina here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have not did one of these videos in so long, and it is a skincare video. You guys know that I absolutely love masks, so I had to come on, honey. I am having me a nice little glass. It's not mimosa, but it is a nice little glass of wine, and I am just getting ready to do some skincare. I was actually going to put on a mask, so I grabbed the camera. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and we can do this together. Y'all already know I'm deep conditioning, girl. Yes, I am. Just having a really nice little me time. So yeah, I picked up this mask and I wanted to give it a try. So if you want to see the mask and what it does and all of that stuff, keep watching. Let's go. So the mask that I picked up is this girl right here. Hopefully the lights are watching out. There it goes. And it is by Nature from New Zealand, the vitamin C and collagen hydrating face mask. Now I wanted something to brighten up my skin. I've been feeling like my skin's been a little bit dull lately, so I wanted something to brighten it up, and I saw this and I was like, okay, I'll try this one. It basically says that it's enriched with skin brightening vitamin C, and it has plumping collagen in it to leave your skin replenished and radiant, and it says it's 98% natural, so at least they're not even trying to say that they're 99% natural, but they said it's 98% natural and it's cruelty free. I wonder if it smells like oranges because it has vitamin C in it. So it's supposed to be a quick 10-minute mask. Now I picked this up from Walmart today. These retail Walmart's masks are like $2.50. Even Sephora's mask are like $2 something or $5, or like it's like 2 for $5 or something like that. And I'm gonna grab some of those. My hands are ashy out because I just washed my hands and washed my hair. But I'm gonna grab some of those, but I wanted to give this a try because I heard great things about their mask at Walmart. So again, this is a 10-minute mask. Now it says that you're supposed, it wants you to like rub the package to get the product on there. Ooh, y'all, my hands real ashy, child. It's real ghetto, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair. Y'all listen, y'all know. It says to cleanse and dry your skin, which I've already done. I've already washed my face. I put my toner on, so I've done that. And then it wants you to tear open the package, remove backing, and gently place mask onto your face, smoothing to ensure a nice close fit. Lay back, relax, and let the goodness of the mask condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. And then it tells you to just discard of the mask, and then you can clean your skin with warm water, pat dry, and enjoy the effects. Now you guys know I kind of have I have combination to oily skin, and sometimes my eyes are very sensitive. So, and I know people always say, well, Trina, why you say your eyes are sensitive? Well, it's because I can literally wash my hair with the product and my eyes will just be irritated. I could put something on my face and my eyes would get irritated. So my eyes are very sensitive. So I'm interested to see how this is going to work. Let me just open it up. And y'all see I'm back in my room. Y'all haven't seen this background in a long time. But me and my friends just did some rearranging. So I was like, oh, I got enough space now. I can really film in my room. So you'll see me trying. I'll be in front of my vanity one day, be back in front of the Christmas tree during the holiday time. So yeah, you guys will see. Oh, this thing is like, it's very moist in here, if y'all can see that. But here's the mask. This is really wet. Okay, this is wet. All right, so it has a faint smell of orange. It does. I don't normally use paper mask just because I can't never get the mask right on my face. But today I wanted to use a paper mask. I didn't feel like putting my hand in any clay or anything like that. So I wanted to use a paper mask. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully this wasn't a bad decision. Let's see which is well. Nah. Okay, so the eyepiece is here. Okay. Alright, so this is the mask, guys. And one thing about the sheet mask is you have to be careful because sometimes they will tear, which is why I don't always use them. Because it's just, sometimes it's just they're definitely more difficult to use, but like I said, I didn't feel like playing with those masks today. So here goes. I need to look in the mirror. Hold on. I'm trying to look in the view finder, but I need to be looking in the mirror, girl. Y'all see my cap, child? Ooh, child. Let's see. It's cold too. My eyes are already watering. We gonna see. Now we supposed to let this stay on for 10 minutes. Let me see what time it is. It is 6:44. If you guys can see that, it's 6:44. So we will be back in 10 minutes. Y'all think I could drink my wine while I do this? What y'all think? Let's see. I can. I will be back in 10 minutes. It's 6:44. 6:44 again. Refreshing of the time. Hopefully the light is not washing it out. But it's 6:44 and I shall return in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it is now 6:55 at this moment. As you can see, I was looking at YouTube, but it's 6:55, so I can go ahead and take the mask off. Now, I don't have any weird feelings, honestly. One thing I always explain about skincare is that skincare is something that you don't see right away most times. You usually have to continue to use it, continue to try it out, and then you'll be able to see a difference as you use it. So I really just feel like it's not tight, and I'm talking like this just because I have on, you know, a sheet on my face, but it's not tight, but I do feel like a plumping type of sensation. It's like very, very mild, so to say, as in what I'm feeling. The mask did still feel, it still does, like even after 10 minutes, it still does feel very wet to the skin, which sometimes some masks don't. Some masks will dry out before the time is up that you're supposed to even take the mask off, and this didn't do that. So I'm just gonna follow the instructions, and if you can see, this thing is still like wet. It's so much product in here. I'm going to just take the mask off. Now, I know that vitamin C does have some really great benefits to the skin. And it's supposed to like help tone the skin and things like that, and really give it hydration. So I know that's something that the mask is supposed to, that vitamin C rather, is supposed to help do. Do I feel like I'm looking any different? I actually do like the feeling that this has. It's like a cool feeling, and I really like that. Now I have, of course, you know, I have the moisture still on my face, so it says that I'm supposed to clean my skin with warm water and then pat dry and then just enjoy the effects of the mask. Now of course I'm not expecting this to like do anything, you know, so great in one use, but I do think I want to keep trying it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash my face just with the warm water like it's saying, and then I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts and opinions on it. Okay, 2 minutes. Let me drink some wine. Alright guys, so I am back, and here is how my skin looks. Very clean, very fresh. I feel like I actually look a little bit rejuvenated. That's how I feel. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I always feel like after I do a mask, sometimes that brightening effect that I'm looking for, I do feel like I got it within this mask. I just feel like my skin looks a little like it has life to it now. But I am going to go in. So basically what I did was just like it said, I washed the content off with warm water and I pat dry. Now I am going to go in because I do hydrate my skin at nighttime as well. I'm just going to go in with my Neutrogena nighttime cream, right? Deep moisture night cream. That's what I'm gonna go in with. And I love this stuff. Does not have a smell to it at all. I always get this, just a white formula, just white, and it just takes a little bit. Really, I always put way too much on my hands because I just did, and I don't even need all of that. It really takes a little bit of this stuff, and this is to basically hydrate your skin throughout the night. Although I have oily to combination skin, sometimes my skin does get dry sometimes, and because of that I try to hydrate my skin at night, because of course when I'm sleeping I don't feel like my skin is oily and the oils are not flowing as they will during the daytime. So at night I try to make sure that I oil my skin, and again a little bit of that goes a long way because I didn't even need all that I put in my hand. So I'm just gonna, anybody else does that, just scoop it on back in there. Listen, I gotta save my money, honey, because I want all my stuff. That's what I want, all my stuff. Yes I do. So here is how my skin looks. I think it looks really good. Honestly, I'm looking here and I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think? It just feels like a fresh, like I said, it wasn't like anything to really complain about. It was a very mild feeling, and that's what I was hoping, because usually I try not to get things that say like plumping skin and all of that stuff, just because I don't know how my skin is going to react to that. I don't see that I'm having any breakouts or any redness or anything like that, so I'm glad about that. I'm just interested to see how it works. I probably will try it again because I do like I said, the lightening mask. It does not lighten your skin like you think that, oh, it's going to change your complexion. That's not what it does. It's really to brighten up the skin, help it not look dull and things like that. Listen, I am a skincare girl. I love skincare. I love to wear makeup, but you have to take care of your skin. I like to want to wear makeup but not have to wear makeup, okay girl? So that is it for me. I'm gonna try more masks. If you guys want me to try out some type of face product, some type of skincare product, comment down below, let me know. I'll go and grab it and we can do it together, girl. Listen, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also look down below, honey, there's a red button that says subscribe. If you're not already part of my Bestie clan, be sure to subscribe to my channel. There's a little notification bell down there. Just hit that notification bell so that you can see anytime I upload a video. Also, come on and socialize with me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. On the Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. On Twitter, it is also Trina Felicia. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.